mind, it's a demo setup, it's demo data, it's just made for the purpose of showcasing the idea, but this is our application Asset Insider, and we have two demo assets, example assets. Let's imagine we're launching a Starship, and on board we have 50 satellites of 20 countries. So the payload is very expensive, very important, and we really want to be on top of all of the events surrounding our systems. So I'm just going to go and quickly check out the Raptor 1 engine. We have a quick overview of the vital parameters, but when we go inside our asset, inside the view of our asset, we have a lot more detailed data. Some relevant in this case, some not, but we also included a 3D model that can be used for future reference, or we can attach a work order to any part of the actual rocket engine. This 3D model is an actual model of the SpaceX Raptor engine, so it's an accurate representation. But what's more important here are the stakeholders being responsible for our actual asset and its correct operation. Meaning we can very quickly always very quickly determine and see who is owner, who is responsible, where is it located, and some other stuff.